What's up, guys? Welcome to another video on my channel. So today we talk about how to create an image using AI in uPresenter. We are going to use the Imagen 4, which is the latest model from Google inside uPresenter. Okay, for example, we want to create a blank project like this. So first thing first, we need to create a new presentation. So you can create anything, okay? Just click continue. By the way, if you want to try uPresenter, just go ahead to the link in the description. It is free to sign up a new account, and also you have 100 AI credit for use. Okay. So first up, we want to go to the media tab right here, and then we can select image and select this button, generate image. And now we want to type the prompt. Okay, a man walking on the street, Hanoi, Vietnam. Okay, so this is my prompt. By the way, we have a very interesting enhance prompt function here, so we can enhance the prompt, but it will cost 1 AI credit. Okay, next up, we want to select the style. So we select anime style and aspect ratio 16:9. And for the model, we can select Imagen 4. We will cost 50 credit. Okay, generate and wait a few seconds. Okay, so we have this image, which is very beautiful. A man walking in Hanoi street. By the way, it is in anime style, so it's kind of like an ancient world. So if you want to modify it, you want to go back to the slide. I can duplicate this slide. Okay, and we can select the image again and select AI image, and now we can enhance the prompt again. Okay, so we keep the same thing. So we generate another AI image. Okay, a lot better. So we have 2 images here, and now what if I want to download all of them to my computer? So we have a button here, download. So just click the download button, and we can just click here, PNG, to download PNG image. By the way, it is Pro feature in the app. So if you want to download all of them, all the image, you need to upgrade to Pro. The upgrade price will be here. So it is $48 per year. So you have to pay just $48 for the Pro license. But if you want to use the free license, you can just select the image here and just click this button to download it. So it is free to download. Okay, download the image, and I can download this image also. So this is how you can generate an image using AI Imagen 4 of Google inside uPresenter. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any questions, just let me know at the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.